Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us write the Python program that shall randomly generate initial position for Fischer random chess, otherwise called as chess 960. The starting position is randomly determined for the white pieces placed on the first rank based on two rules. The bishops must be placed on opposite color squares. That is, if one bishop is in the even position, the other bishop should be in the odd position. And the king must be placed between the two rooks. So these are the two conditions that should be considered while placing all 8 white pieces in the first rank. By considering these things, there is a possibility of 960 starting positions for the chess, hence the name chess 960. So coming to the software portion, which shall randomly generate one of the initial positions for this chess 960 shall be implemented now. For that, let me import permutations and have the chess piece, which is the 8 strings, each letter representing the chess piece. K for king, Q for queen, and B for bishop, 2 bishops, 2 rooks and 2 knights. So these 8 pieces shall form the first row for the white. Now let me have a list for a start position which shall hold the all possible start positions. As we have seen, based on the requirements, there is a possibility of 960 start positions. We will go step by step. Now we will take the permutation of the chess pieces and get its length. It says 40,320, which is nothing but the factorial of 8. Here, permutation of chess pieces directly considered results in 8 factorial. So now, instead of list, let me have the set. As we know, set avoids duplications. So there are 5040 start positions without any duplication because we have considered set instead of list. Now out of 5040 unique initial positions, we will consider the two requirements which shall result in 960 initial positions. The first one is the bishops should be placed in two different colored squares. That means if one is in the odd square, the other one must be in the even square. So I have taken index of that string, and to differentiate them, I have used capital B for one bishop and small b for another bishop. But while holding it into the set, we will use upper method so that bishop shall be represented by capital B. With this first conditions, the number of initial position comes to 2880. Now let us proceed and implement the second and the last condition to be considered with respect to king. That is, king must be between the two rooks. Similar to the first condition, we will use the index method, and the king shall be between the two rook. First rook represented by capital R, and again here second rook is represented by R, so that we can apply index to them. The king shall be between any of the two rooks. So we have to check this twice by altering the rooks on left and right positions. So we have applied both the conditions. On executing, the length of start position comes to 960. This is achieved by considering the two specifications needed for Fischer random chess. Now the set start position has all 960 possible initial positions. I'm trying to print all the possible values stored in the set start positions. It is too big, as we can see in the terminal displayed. As intended, we have to randomly pick one start position from this 960 possible initial positions. So I will use pop method, which will randomly remove an item from the set start position. Now we got a position which satisfies our two conditions, where the two bishops are placed in odd and even, number 1 position and number 4 positions, and which is one is odd, the other one is even. The second condition, king is placed between the two rooks. First rook is in second position, second rook is in the 8th position, and the king is between them. So again executing, we got another random initial positions satisfying the conditions, where bishop is in 3rd and 4th position, odd and even, and king is between the two rooks. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends.